When you say the word agriculture, most people think about farming. That's a big part of the industry, but agriculture is so much more.
What gets me excited about the IVCC Agriculture program is all the different opportunities that we offer our students. We have state-of-the-art facilities, we have updated new technology and equipment, and we have everything that the student would need to perform up-to-date and modern agricultural research.
The IVCC Agriculture program includes a variety of courses, and we offer courses in agricultural business management, agronomy, as well as general agricultural studies. This gives students many opportunities to pursue their goals and their dreams. The best part is our local economy is full of agribusinesses. So whether it's from chemistry to education or even engineering, we are supplying our local economy with students directly from our program where they can get good jobs and be successful in our local area.
The IVCC Agriculture program has grown significantly since 2020, and I'm especially proud of the work that has been done for the Cannabis Certificate program. We started off with one course that gave the students an introduction to the cannabis industry as a whole. Now we additionally have a course that has a lab component to it, where students are able to apply different techniques that they're using and different skills that they will use in the cannabis industry. The students also have the opportunity to take at least one field trip in the Advanced Cannabis Production course that will allow them the opportunity to network with professionals in the cannabis industry, further allowing to get their foot in the door. Most of our agriculture students are here on scholarship. In fact, the IVCC Foundation office offers over $57,000 in ag-specific scholarships every year.
Students in our program have a lot of opportunities to get involved in agriculture outside of the classroom. We have a full ag club, and so those students do social events. They help out, do some community service. We also offer an opportunity for students to be part of our ag ambassadors, where they go out and do recruitment events and college fairs. One of the things I'm most proud of is taking students to professional development opportunities. And so students are able to get out and compete with other community college and university students. And it's really, it's a great way to meet other people, but also to boost your confidence in an industry that you're studying and that you are passionate about. The opportunities to grow and build a career that you love are endless at IVCC. We would love to mentor you through your higher education experience. Submit your application today.